All right, I have officially left the YouTube house, sad, but I'm with my friend Nicole.
Yay!
Yay! We're going to drop my stuff off at her new place, and then we're gonna go get some food. Yeah, welcome by a robot.
Yeah. This is my new apartment.
Look at this. Look at how good that natural light is.
Yeah. So
I feel like
it.
that glass is so clean too. I feel like there's nothing in my way.
Thank you. You can see for days out this window.
Yeah. You can call me Flower if you want.
Yeah.
Don't call me Flower.
Oh, the Bambi reference.
I love this stuff. Everything but the bag.
Yeah, that was for my avocado toast this morning.
Fake plastic trees.
No, it's not plastic. It's real.
Oh, I thought you said fake.
No, it's my fig tree.
Oh, fig.
It's my baby fig. Yeah, this is my kitchen.
That's a nice kitchen.
It's huge. This is my prep room.
Oh,
Extra kitchen. You sniffed out my snacks. Check this out.
Oh, look at, boom, what's going on here?
Oh.
I wasn't sure if you still had one, I brought one, but yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Bam, we got Issa.
Yeah.
Nice. There's Mark.
There's Mark. Oh, check out this cartoon. This is my favorite.
It says this, it says, and then it goes, I'm going vegan. Oh, look at the kitty.
Baby. Oh.
Let's go find where I'm going to be staying.
This is
I like this.
your crib.
Oh, this is where I'm going to be staying. This is
Let me open the window.
where I can start gaming tonight.
Heck yeah.
I have a lot of ports so I can charge all my USB.
Yeah.
We have a nice gaming computer there, it looks like.
Yeah. I was
Nice
gonna say my boyfriend. My husband's a nerd.
Your boyfriend.
My boyfriend husband.
Your boyfriend
It's hard to get used to being
Yeah.
married, you guys.
A map of the world.
Yeah.
Cool, well, this is really nice. Thank you for letting me stay here, Nicole.
Of course, anytime. Door is open.
Should we make this video what I eat in a day also on top of like my last day?
Yeah.
Actually, tomorrow's
What
my
I
last
eat
day,
on
so this is my
last
second
day
to
in
last.
LA.
We go on forever about what I don't eat. What are we getting?
Acai bowls.
Yes.
I got an acai bowl because we're in LA and this is our second food group.
I got the springtime mint. It's acai banana. I didn't do the chocolate. It's got almond milk, fresh banana, mint leaves, and no sugar granola.
So this one's called Love and Sunshine. It has banana, golden milk, almond butter, turmeric, cognac, goji berries, banana, cognac, just kidding, cayenne. Yeah, it has cognac, and maple syrup. It's so good. Woo. Look at that.
It looks like mustard. Okay, so technically I'm not supposed to be having almonds and almond butter, but there's a tiny bit here. I'm still eating good. So let's try this. Some of that. Let's get a banana on there. That's delicious.
Hey, we're back.
Green Table Cafe was, I definitely go back there. It was delicious. I want one of those every morning.
Yeah, the owner Led was super cool. He knew a lot about health and the way to optimally eat and treat your body right. So he was kind of, giving us a little lesson on nutrition too. So it was like a 2-for-1. You got an awesome meal and awesome people.
And it's on Pico and
Crescent Heights-ish.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk, we're gonna talk, and we're gonna go make some vegan pizza.
I'm making pizza for Nicole tonight. And
Mark.
And Mark. Nicole and Mark.
We love Mark. I love Mark, but you also love Mark.
I love Mark. And I'll make myself a less delicious pizza.
You're gonna show us what you eat in a day on your new diet.
So we're gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys soon. Now we have 3. All right, we're going to Sprouts. We got our groceries here. Hopefully I can make something that tastes decent on my very bland diet. And I'm gonna make something that tastes delicious for Nicole and Mark. We're gonna make her the pizza.
Front door.
Hey guys, look at this lovely kitchen I'm in. I'm starting the dough. I'm making pizza dough. If you're interested in how I make the pizza dough, there's plenty of videos out there on my channel of me doing it. I'll link it below. It's also in the cookbook. Very easy, simple to make. So I'm gonna finish this, and then we're gonna get working on my Instapot dish. Alright, so that dough, the amount of dough I had made 2 pizza doughs, so I'm going to take one and put it in the freezer for another day. And then this one right here, we're going to let that rise up, so just put a little bit of oil in there. That's so it doesn't stick when it rises. Alright, as we all know so far by watching my other videos, I'm not doing the oil, I'm not doing the salt or the sugar, I'm doing all whole foods, grains, and I'm not doing any white flour or white rice or anything like that. So I am just going to kind of put something together. I do this often where I've never made this before. I just kind of throw things together. Some of you might do the same thing. Usually, probably 99% of the time, it comes out good. But with this diet that I'm doing, I found that things, even with lots of spices, are still a little bit bland without salt. So I'm going to try my best to make a flavorful Instapot dish. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of water in here. Long grain brown rice. Also have some lentils. Lentils are packed with protein. And I'm just going to put a little bit of those in there. Because why not? Most of this stuff we just picked up at Sprouts. So I have some organic carrots. I have some organic corn, which I'll put in there. I'm going to chop up some celery, some of this red cabbage, the more colorful, the more nutrients. So I'm going to shred that up and put some of that in there. We have a zucchini that I'm going to do, green pepper, red pepper, you know, those colors, and a few potatoes that I'm going to chop up, a red onion, and I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice in there. Let's get to that point and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, I have everything chopped up here. I like everything to be chopped really small. Like, I like my peppers to be small. I don't like big chunks of peppers. Just for some reason, I like bite size. And I'm going to try to flavor this up now. So, apple cider vinegar is a good one. Put a little bit of that in. I'm not going to give exact measurements because I'm just kind of doing this right now. Cumin. Cumin is a good, powerful spice that I like to put in a lot of my dishes. We'll put some curry powder in there. Flavor it up. Flavor, flavor, flavor. There we go. Some white pepper. Put some of that in. And I'm putting all of the flavors in right now, all the spices in, and then I'm going to put all the produce in after. This is what I found at Sprouts. It's a Cajun Creole seasoning blend. It's salt free. Yeah, I'm going to put, that much in. Of course, we have some basil. Now, this is when you want to use your dried herbs. If you put fresh herbs, it's just gonna mush all up and melt down, and we're gonna put those in at the end. You want to use the dried ones. So this is paprika. I love paprika. I use it in also with the cumin in most of my dishes. This is regular paprika, sweet and bright. Smoked paprika is my favorite, but they didn't have that. And then pizza seasoning. So this smells like probably some marjoram and some oregano. I'm gonna use the entire thing of tomato paste. Tomato paste is pretty strong flavor, and I want some kind of flavor in this, so I want that to mix in all nice. Herbes de Provence. We're gonna put some of that in. I'm gonna put a little bit of rosemary in there too. Rosemary is great on like potatoes and things, and there's some potatoes in here. Also, I have herbs of Italy. It smells pretty good. I'm gonna throw that in there. And I'm also gonna use some nutritional yeast for like kind of like a cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast also has protein and B12. And I think that is it. At the end I might put some of this on it. It's I found it today. It's Bragg's Organic Apple Cider Vinaigrette. There's no oil in it. There's no salt in it. I can use it. The only other thing that I want is, I'm not gonna use all of it, but I'm gonna use some of this nice red cabbage here. We're just gonna slice that up. Nice. This is so nutritious. We're just gonna put all of this in here. You might have to put a little bit more water in if you don't really care about like the sodium and stuff. You can use vegetable broth. You can also use low sodium vegetable broth, but I don't have any of that, so I'm kind of making our own right here. This looks amazing. Come over here and check this out. Look at that. We're gonna cook this all up with everything in it. Let's just mix it all together. Mix all those spices in. All right, we're actually gonna do this for 25 minutes. So lock, press, and I punch in the coordinates. It's ready to go. So it's been all the time that it took. I'm gonna let some of that steam out. Ooh, that's hot. Let it go. I'm one with the wind and steam. This smells so good. This steam. We're gonna open it up. You guys are gonna be the first to see what's inside. So this looks like a really nice stewy little dinner, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, look at this, look at this. We got the flavors all mixed together. It's nice and juicy. It's almost like a soupy, like a thick soup. We got the rice and the lentils, all those veggies, all the colors. It smells really good. It's really hot though. I'm not even gonna try it right now. I'm gonna put some in a bowl and let it cool off. We're gonna fill this. Got a lemon here. I'll put some of this in here. Maybe like that. There we go. That's a good portion right there, I think. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon on here. Don't let those seeds go in there. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Some pepper on top. Also, a little bit of nutritional yeast. Right on top like that. And some more of this Cajun Creole seasoning. Right like that. Perfect. And there we have it. Look how nice that looks. That's my dinner for the night. Looks delicious, but really doesn't matter how it looks if it doesn't taste good. So let's find out. Let's hope it tastes good. It's good. It is good. And of course, if you make this and you want to add salt, you can always do that. Obviously, I can taste that there's no salt in it. Salt really does something to your flavor senses. So it is good, but if I could have salt, I would add a little bit of salt to it. Let's see how it would taste with a little bit of this Bragg's apple cider vinaigrette. Let's see if that'll do anything for it. There we go. Either or. Maybe a little bit of pico de gallo on top, something like that. I'm gonna go eat. Just so we can get an accurate account of what I eat in a day, I'm having another bowl. Not as big as the first one, and I'm also gonna add some of this dried organic pineapple to it, just for a little bit extra crunch and taste. Bon appetit. It's later, I'm full, but I promised my friend Nicole, who's holding the camera, and her husband, who's not here yet, some pizza, vegan zombie pizza. So we are making the crust right now, and we are going to load it up with some good organic marinara sauce, from Whole Foods or 365. And we're just going to take this ladle and we're gonna spread it out nice like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of nutritional yeast on there. You don't have to do that if you don't want. And we have this cheese by Good Planet. It's a new vegan cheese out there. It's very much like BioLife. BioLife actually makes the base for this cheese. We have the premium dairy-free cheese. This is the smoked mozzarella. Smells nice and smoky. And then we also have some Parmesan, which is finely shredded. We're gonna take a little bit of the Parmesan and we're just gonna put that on the bottom first. Well, we're gonna put it on first, just like that. Not too much. And then we're gonna take the smoked mozzarella, and this is what I like to do. This is what I learned when working in the food industry and some different pizza places. I like to take the bowl. I have chopped up onion, chopped up green bell pepper, and we're gonna pour them all together. And I'm gonna pour maybe half the bag in there for this size pizza. You can use the whole thing if you want it really cheesy. And this way, it's all gonna be uniform, evenly distributed on the pizza. And then we're just gonna pour it around here. And what you want to do, because the cheese melts, is you don't want to just line it up all in the center. You kind of want to spread it out to the outside, because as it melts, it's going to get all gooey. It is now ready to go in the oven. We're going to put it in there for a total of about 12 to 15 minutes at 425 degrees. I like to dilute my sauce with a little bit of water and maybe a little bit of olive oil and brush the crust. And we're going to put some everything but the bagel on there. We're gonna make a nice delicious crust. So in the oven it goes. There we go. Let's get this thing all cooked. That was a weird way to put it in, but hey, it's in. All right, you wanna cut your pizza as soon as it gets out of the oven. You don't wanna wait. Always cut your pizza right away. I don't have a pizza cutter, but I do have a knife. So that's what we're doing. It looks like it came out pretty good. I did a little chiffonade on some fresh basil, put that on there. And I dusted the crust with some everything but the bagel. And there you go, there's our finished product. There's a nice slice of vegan, guilt-free pizza. How's that cheese? It's a smoky mozzarella.
It's real good. Oh, I'm digging this. Look at all that cheese. Oh yeah, come here.
Did the crust come out good? Here?
Oh yeah.
California crust. They say something's up with the water here, and the crust doesn't always come out good. Which it didn't rise as good as it does when I make it at home, so it's possible.
It's still good to me.
You don't have to film eating.
Oh, but I will. How is it?
It's so good.
So I would close this video out now, but this is what I eat in a day, and I feel like I'm gonna be hungry in a little bit. So we'll wait until then. I'll see you soon. It's about almost 11 o'clock. I'm getting some more food. I'm having another bowl of this. Normally I probably wouldn't do that, but I'm traveling right now. I'm staying at some friend's house and I don't have too much to eat since I am on that special diet. So I'm having another bowl of my jambalaya stuff. All right, I'm ending the night with a banana, and that is what I ate in a day today on a strict diet. I'll be traveling tomorrow, going home, so hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you next time.